Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, now let's see how we can solve for x. Given 9 raised to x squared equals to x. Now, to solve for x, first of all, let's bring this power down. So the power x squared, let's bring it down. And the only way out is to take log on both sides. So what I'll do here is to go by the natural log. So we have ln of 9 raised to x squared equals to ln of x. Now, this one is a power rule following log a to the power x, okay, the same as x log a. So this one is a power rule. So the x here is behaving like this, okay. So what I will do here is very simple. Now, this one will come behind here. That will be x squared ln of 9 equals to ln of x. All right, now I want to group the x on one side, okay? So I would like to divide both sides by x squared and do same here. So this one will cancel. So I'll be left with ln of 9. Okay, sorry, this ln of 9 equals to ln of x over x squared. All right, now before we can complete this, we have to apply Lambert W function. So the last video that I did, I made mention of that, and I think I threw more light on that. All right, so I explained what is meant by Lambert W function. Okay, now it goes like this. When you have t, okay, times e raised to t, and you take W function, the result will be t. Okay, so we introduce e, and what is here and what is behind must be the same. Okay, and if you take W function of such, okay, the result will be one of them. As simple as that. And also, when you see e raising ln of something, the result will be that thing. So this one is very powerful. We are going to combine the two. Okay. Now, let's first of all write this one in a linear form. In a linear form means we want to get rid of the fraction. Okay. So we have ln of 9 equals to ln of x times x to the power minus 2. So in a linear form, that is how it's supposed to be. Okay. Now, we have this one here. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we are going to do here is very simple. We need to support this. So remember, I said e raised to ln of box is same as box. So I would like to support this one. So ln of 9, ln of x. So instead of this, I'll make it e raised to ln of x to the power minus 2. Now, I have done nothing here because in going back, this one also give us x to the power minus 2. Okay? So ln of 9 is the same as ln of x. So let's record a power rule of logarithm. So this negative 2 will go behind. That will be minus 2 ln of x. All right, it's very beautiful. Now, don't forget that our e has been achieved here. So when you have t times e to the power t, and you take W function, the answer will be one of them. Okay. All right. So we have this equals that. Now let's check this. This is the e, okay? Then we have minus 2 ln of x. And this side is ln of x. So just think about it, okay? If this side is supposed to be like this and this side is minus 2 ln of x, what is missing here? Of course, negative 2. So what we will do here is to multiply both sides by negative 2. So I'll be having this negative 2 ln of 9, negative 2 ln of x, e raised to minus 2 ln of x. Okay, all right. Now, so our aim has been achieved here. So this equals that we preview for the Lambert W function here. So from here, we have no option but to take Lambert W function. So I'll take W function on both sides. That will be W function of minus 2 and of 9. We have W function of minus 2 ln of x times e raised to minus 2 ln of x. So W function minus 2 ln of 9. So remember, W function of this times e raised to that, the result to be one of them, minus 2 ln of x. As simple as that. Now, don't forget one thing. We are after x. Don't forget that. Okay? We are after x here. So, what do we do here? Now, we have two ways of doing this. Let's get rid of the negative here. Okay? So, we can say W function. So, this one is the same as 2 times minus 1 ln of 9. And then negative 1 will come here. Okay? And this one is the same as 2 times minus 1, okay, ln of x, okay. So from here, this one will come here. That will be W function of 2 ln of 9 to the power minus 1 equals to, so we have 2 ln of x to the power minus 1. So this one has occupied this position per the power rule properties, okay. So we have W function 2 ln of 1 over 9, okay. So 9 to the power minus 1 is the same as 1 over 9 equals to 2 ln of 1 over x. All right, so from here, we can get rid of these 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So over 2, this one will cancel. So I have ln of 1 over x equals to W function, okay, of, I think, let me do this side. Well, so we have W function of this 1 over 9 over 2 equals to 1 over ln of 1 over x. Okay, now the next thing is to remove this ln here, and don't forget that e raised to ln of box is box. So to remove this, we have to raise both sides with e, okay, so that this one will vanish, leaving 1 over x, okay. So I'll raise both sides with e, so e raised to W function 1 over 9 on 2 equals to, so if I raise this side is e, this one will go, I will leave it 1 over x. As simple as that. Have 1 over x. So from here, to solve for x, I can interchange this. So my x is simply 1 on e, okay, raised to W function of 2 ln of 1 over 9 on 2 as the answer, okay. So the best solution is what we have on the board, okay. So that's that.